Happy Christmas, my Africa people. I wish you a happy Christmas, And same thing when they bother me, wetin dey bother me for Africa matter. Me, I just dey shout, not be say me I like to shout. But now the truth be say, we need to talk about Africa issue. Wetin dey happen, and so we want to dey. Now see Christmas and New Year, nothing dey happen. No money, poverty, people dey sick, people dey die. Now we when we dey abroad, now we dey assist the people in the Africa. Wetin dey happen? Government no dey. Why they vote? Why? Tell me why they even dey vote, say president, governor, all those things. Of which it not make sense. See, make I tell you now, not be so e be o. For real now. People they just turn out to family business. What's up? Wetin dey happen? Now so one call the day. The truth don't say me they don't talk. We dey speak the truth o. Because why? Now we one day abroad dey suffer. Yes now. Now we will send money to everything. The people who use until to sustain their life. At the end of the day, they don't even regard us as governor, minister, or anything. You understand? Meanwhile, now we be their president, and we be their governor. Now we be everything. For real. You see? Not be to the create confusion alone, but the good more they tell ourselves the truth. And now the truth be that. See abroad, you see, they don't like us everywhere fine so. Designer, Christmas things. And apart from that, now say it be every day. Gaddafi give Libya, a full Libya, he give them light, free light. They know they seize light year to year. You rent house, you know go pay light bill. Now black man I run more. But if they won't talk now, they will say that man, saying a stubborn man, have been a mafia, or what did they call him? Now good man. To me, now good man. Because none of Africa leader or Africa president don't fit one. They never fit give Nigeria light. Till today, Nigeria they pay light bill, but they don't get light. All this is now nonsense. Nigeria is supposed to be the first people in Africa when we say they will use light free, and the light will be stable year to year. For real now. The truth don't say they not talk more. Forget all these people you go they collect bribe anyhow. You know, pastors, prophets, they collect bribe anyhow. See all these celebrities, they still they collect bribe anyhow. They fuck their people up. They forget say now the same poor people on the street, then they survive them, then make them get level. And at the end of the day, see, the truth don't say they don't talk. See, most of all these people won't get money to start with. You get who don't pass the street. All of them suffer, pass through the street. Now street they for start. Celebrity, everything when you like they call them. But today, they'll just get money. They begin to they join those evil gang, those leaders. When we say man, even the cities they imitate them because of their evil doer, ritualists, kidnapping children, using children for sacrifice, killing. They love all those things. Those are the things they love. They don't get conscience, no pity. For real, how long can we continue this kind of life? At the end of the day, most of us will blame God. God don't do everything perfectly. Give us the wisdom, give us liberty. You understand? We need to systemize this world more with the endurance, normal level. But now me and you, we give ourselves the headache. Now they will come. People imagine people they talk about and so for Oyibo enslave them, do this, do that. See, all those things now past tense. We don't talk about past, we talk about present tense, today and tomorrow. You understand? For real now. Black now black they enslave black now. But nobody won't talk. For real now. For real. Imagine if somebody go suffer buy land from group of people, they will seize the land, they sell them again to another person. All those things now waiting. Where our oil money? At the end, we get oil, we get everything, we see they borrow. We'll carry old man put for president. We'll begin to spend money for treatment. Those things make sense. Wetin happen to the young men and the young youth? Wetin happen to am? If they say they no wan make the power comot for them, make dem bring their own children come outside, make dem come vote, make dem become president, no problem. Because we still believe say their children go school pass them. For real now, most of these people go class 6. Some of them no even get results. But their children, let's for real, they be young people. Maybe they go still dey better than. For real, maybe. Nigeria, make una arrange una sef o. I wish everybody happy Christmas. No, I no come here to insult today, but I just want to wish everybody happy Christmas. Look at, see abroad, light everywhere dey shine. I just hype myself o. If I begin show you place, na go shock. When Africa go be like this, when Africa go get light, make dem give us light and water, they no fit. Nobody fit run am. Only Gaddafi for the whole of Africa don fit run am. I no dey shame. May him soul rest in peace. Gaddafi na man.